Hi everyone, it's candace.fonos here, your local realtor and property manager in Westlock and Barrhead. Today, I want to share some important news about the Bank of Canada's most recent interest rate announcement and what it could mean for homeowners, buyers, and investors here in Alberta and across Canada. Interest rates have been at the center of attention for the past couple of years as the Bank of Canada worked to bring down inflation. Many Canadians have felt the effects of higher borrowing costs, whether through mortgages, lines of credit, or business loans. That's why every announcement has such a big impact, not just on the financial markets but on day-to-day life. In their latest announcement, the Bank of Canada cut the key overnight interest rate by 25 basis points, from 2.75% to 2.50%. This decision comes after several months of holding rates steady and reflects the bank's concern over slowing economic growth, rising unemployment, and reduced inflation pressures. They are continuing to monitor the economy closely, especially with weaker consumer spending, a cooling housing market in certain regions, and ongoing global trade uncertainties. The bank has also indicated that further adjustments may be made in upcoming meetings if economic conditions warrant. For homeowners with a variable rate mortgage or those renewing soon, this pause means no immediate increase in payments, but it doesn't necessarily mean rate cuts are right around the corner. The Bank of Canada made it clear they'll continue to monitor inflation and could adjust again if needed. So, what does this mean if you're thinking about buying or selling? For buyers, stable rates can provide a bit more confidence when planning affordability, especially if you're shopping for a home in a competitive market. For sellers, it's important to remember that while higher rates can soften demand, serious buyers are still active, and pricing and presentation matter more than ever. For investors, steady rates may create opportunities, but it's wise to keep a close eye on cash flow projections and financing options. Here in Alberta, our market is unique. While national headlines often talk about cooling in bigger cities, we continue to see steady demand in communities like Westlock and Barrhead. Affordability compared to larger markets is still strong, and that gives us an advantage. I'll be keeping an eye on the next Bank of Canada announcement and sharing updates on how these decisions shape our local real estate market. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more real estate tips and information.